Yeah, so guys, welcome to this video. Now we are going to be looking into BTC and also talking about the swing trade that we're currently holding on BTC and what the market is actually doing generally. Now at the end of this video, you will get to understand why I am still very bearish on BTC. Though I already told you guys from the beginning of February that this month is going to be bearish for crypto, which I posted on my TikTok. I posted on TikTok, all right, and I also posted on our free WhatsApp channel. So check the link below this video, and you will get access to the WhatsApp channel. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel, drop your comment, share this video. All right, let's head over to the chart now. Looking at BTC over here, I want us to first of all look at what is actually happening generally over here. You can see that we've maintained this uptrend movement, all right, since this. Bull run actually started, or this cycle actually started pumping. Now, from what I'm seeing over here, we're currently in a swing trade. Obviously, from what I'm seeing here is that we are going to come back down to take in out some of these imbalances over here before the market can continue upward. Now, why do I say so? If you look at this entire formation over here, what we are trying to create here, though not completed yet, but what I think the market is trying to create here is a clean double top. Now, once you see a double top on a daily time frame, there is 90% possibility that it's going to play out. And when it plays out, right, most times we are going to see that this is going to be the target. Now, I am not trying to say that market is going to come down to 70k immediately, but I believe strongly that BTC is going to go down to at least 85k. All right, it must go down to 85k. Now, one of the reasons why I say it's going to go down to 85k is that there is what we'll call premium and discount in the price action. Now, sometimes when price has moved sharply upwards and started accumulating, it will need to come down into the discount zone to clear liquidity over here, then pick up fresh orders over here, then start before it continue going up. Now, if you take your Fibonacci tool and you're trying to point out, if you take from this particular demand zone over here, all right, and you measure this over here, you can see that this whole area is a premium. We have not tapped into the discounts. So if that were to be the case, what we are most likely to see is to come down, tap into the discount area, then maybe move into the golden zone, all right, then before we continue upward. Now, the reason I believe this is going to bounce from this area, all right, is because this particular trend line over here is actually the major trend line that is holding this market. As you can see, this trend line started all the way from July 2023. So this is the trend line that is holding this market cycle. Every market cycle has a trend line that is holding it. Every bear market has a trend line that is holding it. That is one thing you should also take away from this video. Now, if you also look at this area during the bear markets, we had this particular trend line that was holding the market, and once it broke, we started seeing a phase, a new the resumption of the bull market, or a new cycle. So we have this particular trend line over here. So the only time I'm going to be very, very worried about crypto is if we are to break that trend line and close below it on the weekly time frame, not just on the daily, but on the weekly time frame. So, but I don't see that happening because basically I believe that we still have like maybe to July or maybe September this year before the market will peak. But you only trade what you see, right? So, but right now we are currently in a sell swing position. Now, this has actually been one of the most ranging markets that I've ever, taken when it comes to swing trading. For days now, more than 2 weeks, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So almost 20 days now we've been holding the swing trade, and it has just been revolving between 99k and 95k. So this has been a ranging market, but what I believe is actually happening right here is that market is just accumulating liquidity to go down, take out this low, tap into this. I don't know if it's going to come down to this area, but I believe that this trend line over here and this zone over here is going to hold the price there, maybe bounce it up for the final and last move, because we've not really seen any good altcoin pumps, all right, in this particular cycle. So I believe there's a much larger cycle that's going to come after this particular move downwards here. Now, if you also look at this zone, you will notice that this, for those who trade support and resistance, all right, you see that this zone aligned with this particular area. This area has served as resistance, all right, until we broke it over here. So this movement down here is going to be more like a retest, all right, of this trend line and this resistance area that will now turn support in this zone. Then we can continue upward. So that's basically what I am looking at in BTC. So we are still holding this trade, guys. If you want to get alerts, trade alerts, market updates, and stuff like that for free, just check the link below this video. Join our WhatsApp channel, and you get access to others. So let's just see how it goes in the coming week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Do have a lovely trading week ahead. Take care.